Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. In today's exciting episode, we'll explore the beauty of interactive wood projects that engage our community with nature. From birdhouses to community gardens, these projects not only beautify our surroundings but also help us connect with our environment. Stick around as we guide you through the process, share tips on engaging your community, and highlight the importance of nature in our lives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. I'm excited to have you with us today as we explore the enchanting realm of interactive wood projects. These creations not only enhance our surroundings but also foster a sense of community and deepen our connection with nature. This journey goes beyond woodworking. It's about uniting people and nurturing our environment. Let's jump right in. Section 1, The Importance of Community in Nature. Before we get our hands dirty, let's take a moment to reflect on why engaging with nature is so crucial. In today's fast-paced world, many of us feel disconnected from the natural environment. However, community projects that involve wood and nature can help bridge that gap. Imagine living in a neighborhood filled with vibrant gardens, birdhouses, and wooden benches where families gather to connect. Not only do these projects serve a purpose, but they also foster relationships and enhance the overall well-being of the community. Section 2, Project Overview. Today, we'll explore 3 exciting projects where wood meets nature, and each of these projects can be a catalyst for community engagement. 1. Community Birdhouse Initiative. 2. Interactive Garden Bench. 3. Nature Trail Signage. Let's get started with our first project. Section 3. Community Birdhouse Initiative. Picture this, a birdhouse that's not only a cozy home for our feathered friends but also a canvas for creativity. In our Community Birdhouse Initiative, we'll invite local artists and families to come together to create personalized birdhouses. Here's how you can roll this out. Step 1. Gather materials. Start by collecting wood. Plywood, cedar, or any untreated wood works great. You'll also need nails, glue, and paint. Step 2. Design Workshop. Organize a workshop where community members can learn how to build basic birdhouses. Provide templates and tools to guide them through the process. It's a fantastic way for beginners to learn about woodworking while having fun. Step 3. Decoration Day. Once the birdhouses are built, schedule a decoration day. Set up stations with paints, brushes, and other decorative items. Encourage participants to get creative. You might be surprised by the beautiful works of art that emerge. Step 4. Installation. Finally, choose a date to install the birdhouses in public parks or communal areas. Encourage everyone to partake in the installation and celebrate their efforts. By engaging with this project, not only do participants create beautiful art for the community, but they also contribute to supporting wildlife and fostering biodiversity. Section 4. Interactive Garden Bench. Next up, our interactive garden bench. This project invites community members to contribute wood or old furniture pieces to create a sustainable and beautiful bench that encourages people to sit down, relax, and appreciate nature. Step 1. Collect and collaborate. Set up a collection drive for old wooden furniture or unused timber. Community members can donate items they no longer need. Step 2. Design the bench. Host a design brainstorming session where everyone can suggest ideas for the bench's style, shape, and placement. Whether it's a simple rustic bench or intricately designed, the key is to incorporate community input. Step 3. Build the bench together. Organize a build day where community members can come together to construct the bench. Have experienced woodworkers guide the process, ensuring everyone learns and contributes. Step 4. Add interactive features. To make the bench interactive, consider adding small planters or painting sections of it with chalkboard paint for people to leave messages or drawings. This will encourage ongoing community engagement. Imagine people gathering around this bench to relax, share stories, and connect with nature, all thanks to your collaborative efforts. Section 5. Nature Trail Signage. Our final project centers on enhancing a local nature trail. Creating signage can help educate the community about local flora and fauna while promoting walking and appreciation for nature. Step 1. Research design. Start by researching the plants and animals on the trail. Gather input from local nature enthusiasts or environmental organizations. Design informative signs that include fun facts and illustrations. Step 2. Crafting the signs. Using weather-resistant wood, create signs that are visually appealing and easily understandable. Involve community members in the carving and painting of these signs during workshops. Step 3. Installation Day. Once all the signs are ready, basket the trail on a day for installation. This is a great opportunity for more community members to participate, and it fosters a sense of pride in local nature. Step 4. Celebrate with a nature walk. After the installation, host a community nature walk. Guide people along the trail, explaining the signs and promoting a love for the natural world. This signage project can ignite a newfound respect for nature, encourage outdoor activities, and inspire other communities to do the same. Section 6. The impact of community engagement. By participating in these projects, you're not just learning woodworking skills, you're fostering community spirit and promoting environmental awareness. These interactive wood projects help reinforce ties between neighbors, cultivate a love for nature, and support wildlife. The benefits don't end there. By engaging your community, you also create a network of support, share resources, and inspire creativity. Who knows? This might spark new initiatives or lead to friendships that last a lifetime. Section 7. Closing encouragements. As we wrap up today's video, I encourage you to take these ideas back to your community. Choose one project to start with, involve your neighbors, and watch the magic unfold. Don't forget to share your experiences and photos with us. We'd love to see what you come up with. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might be interested in community engagement and woodworking. And, of course, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to Crafted Wood Studio for more exciting content like this. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep creating and connecting with nature. Take care.